We're gonna close it. You can see that moved, and then it opened back up. Hey everybody, it's Ryan, and in this video I'm gonna do a quick overview of how you can control the V12 Vanquish Aston Martin exhaust with a remote, and it's gonna sound a little bit different. So this is controlling this with the valves open and going to closed. Now we're gonna open it back up. Oh man, check this out. Right there is the electronic valve with the remote. We're gonna close it. You can see that moved, and then it opened back up. So this is how it's done. This device right here, literally all it takes is 3 cords. So you have your ground here, and you got to take the wheel off. You got to go into the fender well. There's only a couple of screws here, 1, 2, 3. Then you go under here, and you're gonna ground it to that right there, because this is a carbon fiber vehicle, so you gotta find something to ground to. That is the one. That's where you put your ground. Then here is your valve controlled solenoid, which is this, and then this is the canister, kind of like the pump canister. But to access this, you actually got to go from underneath. And there's 2 cables that come out of this. It splits, and you basically just unplug the solenoid clip from the vehicle, and then you plug in one end, and you plug the other end into the extension. It runs through this. It controls through this. To access the actual plug, which is right there, you just reach in with your hand, you unplug it, plug those 2 wires together, and you fish it out where we were over there. You then tidy this all up, and you can run, because there's an extension, it comes with an extra extension if you want, and you can run this and put it in the trunk right where the fuse box is on the inner lining on the trunk. But I was just so excited about this, I wanted to show this right now. What's also really cool is you can, with the push of a button, set it to regular factory mode, so you can just turn it on to that, and then it just runs as normal, or you can manually force these open, or you can manually force them closed for whatever reason. So you have full control on, normal, and completely off. Now, why would you want to do this simple mod? And the reason is this, because on the Aston Martin Vanquish, might be the Vantage, DB11, some of the other versions, the way this works is the sport mode will allow the valves to be open in the exhaust, but because Aston Martin is sort of a refined gentleman or gentle lady vehicle, what will happen is at low RPMs, the valves, even in sport mode, are not going to be completely open. They're gonna kind of like on demand, they will open, and not until you like really get on it will the valves completely open, and then you get to appreciate the full sound of the V12 that these Aston Martins put out. This is a 2014, so this actually is a Aston Martin motor. It's not like the newer motors like AMG or whatever it is that kind of come later. This is a Aston Martin V12 motor. So if you want to be able to control the valves manually, so at low RPMs or not under load, you can get the full appreciation of the volume of the exhaust. You can do that with this simple remote. You can actually stage this to be on all the time, on at startup, closed all the time. I don't know why you'd ever do that. Now you can kind of fully control the exhaust note, and you don't even need to be in sport mode, and you can have the valves open all the time. So if you ever pick up a Aston Martin, whether it's a Vanquish or other model, this is the easy mod using the Forza exhaust controller literally from the cab, from inside the vehicle. You can do this. It actually comes with 2 remotes. So now you can appreciate the full power and sound appreciation of the Aston Martin V12 motor. Hope this helps. Got any questions, comment, and I'll help out as best I can. Thanks.